One type of food that I enjoy cooking and eating is sushi. Sushi is a Japanese dish that typically consists of bite-sized pieces of fish or vegetables on top of a bed of sticky rice. The sushi is often rolled up in seaweed, nori, and cut into bite-sized pieces. To prepare sushi, the rice is cooked with a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt to give it a slightly sweet and tangy flavor. The fish or vegetables are typically sliced thinly and arranged on top of the rice, along with other seasonings like wasabi, soy sauce, and pickled ginger. I enjoy sushi because it is both delicious and healthy. The fish and vegetables are a good source of protein and nutrients, and the rice provides energy and fiber. I also enjoy the variety of flavors and textures in sushi, as well as the artistry and creativity that goes into the presentation. One type of food that I enjoy cooking and eating is pizza. Pizza is an Italian dish that typically consists of a round, flat crust topped with tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings like vegetables, meat, or seafood. To prepare pizza, the crust is typically made from a mixture of flour, water, yeast, and salt, and is baked in a hot oven until crispy and golden. The tomato sauce is made from ripe tomatoes, garlic, and herbs like basil and oregano, and is spread over the crust. The cheese and toppings are then added on top, and the pizza is baked until the cheese is melted and bubbly. I enjoy pizza because it is a versatile and comforting food that can be customized to my taste. I like trying different toppings and sauces, and I appreciate the simplicity and accessibility of pizza. One type of food that I enjoy cooking and eating is Thai curry. Thai curry is a spicy and flavorful dish that typically consists of a creamy sauce made from coconut milk and a blend of herbs and spices, along with meat or vegetables. To prepare Thai curry, the curry paste is first made from a mixture of ingredients like lemongrass, ginger, garlic, chili peppers, and lime juice. The curry paste is then cooked with coconut milk, meat or vegetables, and additional spices like curry powder and fish sauce, until the flavors are fully blended and the sauce is thick and creamy. I enjoy Thai curry because it is a bold and exotic dish that satisfies my craving for spicy and creamy flavors. I like experimenting with different types of curry paste and spices, and I appreciate the balance of sweet, sour, and savory flavors in Thai cuisine. One type of food that I enjoy cooking and eating is tacos. Tacos are a Mexican dish that typically consist of a crispy or soft tortilla shell filled with meat or vegetables, along with various toppings like cheese, salsa, and guacamole. To prepare tacos, the tortillas are first heated in a pan or oven until they are slightly crispy and warm. The meat or vegetables are then cooked with a blend of spices like chili powder, cumin, and garlic, until they are tender and flavorful. The toppings are then added on top, and the tacos are served hot. I enjoy tacos because they are a fun and flavorful food that can be customized to my liking. I like experimenting with different types of fillings and toppings, and I appreciate the simplicity and versatility of tacos. One type of food that I enjoy cooking and eating is spaghetti carbonara. Spaghetti carbonara is an Italian pasta dish that typically consists of spaghetti noodles, pancetta or bacon, eggs, cheese, and black pepper. To prepare spaghetti carbonara, the spaghetti noodles are cooked in salted boiling water until al dente, then drained and set aside. The pancetta or bacon is cooked in a pan until crispy, then removed from the pan and set aside. The eggs, cheese, and black pepper are whisked together in a bowl, then added to the pan and cooked until the eggs are slightly scrambled. The spaghetti noodles are then added to the pan and tossed with the egg mixture and pancetta or bacon until everything is fully combined. I enjoy spaghetti carbonara because it is a simple yet flavorful dish that satisfies my craving for comfort food. I like the combination of salty and savory flavors from the pancetta or bacon and the cheese, and the creamy texture of the egg mixture. Spaghetti carbonara is also a versatile dish that can be easily customized to my taste by adding different herbs or spices.